When we first met, you had caught me. Corner of your eye, I was staring. First thought of my mind was
nose up, nose down. There you go. A little bit more nose down.
November 745, can you do
Very nice.
right 360 to accommodate surfers? I have traffic on short final.
It's going to get up to about 1,000 feet.
745 arrow.
And then we're going to level off.
We're going to be a full stop, and we're not going to need to short.
Excellent flying skills. Very nice.
Coast Guard 6 Nicole, can you reduce your speed?
Sure we can.
Thank you.
I gazed into those blue eyes, sending me up sky high. You're a firework, I've lit the fuse. The only thing that's on my mind is you.